Hi, my name is ManBass Daigle, and I'm blessed to be a Markbass artist. Let me show you how I emulate the drum set on my magnificent Markbass bass. Oh yes! Let's start with the bass drum. The snare. Now the hi-hat. Let's play all those things together. Yes! Find your home techniques and have fun with it. See you soon! And the bass drum. Oh, I said it with my French accent. The bass drum. Today I'm gonna show you how to stand out in the lights. I'm gonna show you how I emulate the drum set on my Markbass bass. Today I'm gonna show you how I do